In this video we will learn how to install the current PHP version on Windows 11. With that we will also run a sample PHP program. Let us start. At first go to the web browser. On Google type PHP and press enter. On pressing enter the official website is visible, php.net. Click on it. Here is the official website. Directly click the downloads menu. When you will click here, the current version will be visible, that is the following, PHP 8.5. Here two versions are visible, non-thread safe and thread safe. So we will go for the thread safe version. Click the zip file, it is only 33 MB. I'll click on it and the download will begin. Here it is, let's wait. The zip file downloaded. Right click and click show in folder. Here is a zip file. Right click, select extract all, click extract. We have extracted the file. Open it. Okay, here it is. Right click, rename. I'll just rename it to the following. Okay, now right click, copy, go to C drive, program files, right click and paste the same zip file. Click continue. Now we have pasted the PHP folder. Click on it, copy this path, minimize. Now let us go to start, type environment variables, click open. Under advanced, click environment variables. Under system variables, double click on path. Now we will set the same path, that is click new, right click and paste the same path. Okay, so this will set our environment variable so that we can access PHP from any location on our system. Click OK, OK, and the last OK. So we have successfully installed PHP. Let us verify and quickly run our first PHP program. Right click, type cmd, click open. Here type php-v and press enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed PHP. Now let us run our first program. For that, go to any drive. Let's say I'll go to D drive. Right click and click new text document. Name your file. Let's say I'll name it amit.php. When I'll remove the txt so that I can rename the extension, it will ask me, do you want to change the file name extension? Yes. Now our file is PHP. When you will keep the cursor, your PHP file will be visible. If your extensions are not visible, go to view, click show, and from here select file name extensions. Okay, we already selected it, therefore the extensions are visible. Now click on it, right click. From here you can edit in Notepad or Notepad++. Many people do not know about Notepad++, so I'll directly go with the default Windows application, that is Notepad. Click edit in Notepad. Here is our file. Now I'll run the code. To run PHP you need to mention the following syntax. Within this mention your code. So I'll type echo. So whatever you'll add inside echo will get printed. So I'm just adding my name. Go to file, click save, minimize. Now go to the same command prompt. I hope you remember we were in D drive. So to reach any drive, I hope you know, just type D and press colon. So we are inside the D drive. Now type dir so that we can list the directories. Right now we have amit.php and update on G drive folder. Here it is. We just need to type php amit.php, that is the same file. To run it, press enter. Here it is, we printed Amit Diwan because we added Amit Diwan inside echo. In this way you can run your first PHP program. For a free PHP and other web development tutorials, refer to the links in the description as well as pinned comments of this video.